Imagine it's a quiet morning in the city of Hiroshima, August 6, 1945. Suddenly, a blinding light pierces the sky as Little Boy, the first atomic bomb used in warfare, detonates above. First comes the thermal radiation. In an instant, a monstrous fireball erupts, heating the surrounding air to unthinkable temperatures, approximately 5,000 degrees Celsius. This isn't just extreme heat, it's a furnace unleashed on Earth, igniting everything within a vast radius, scorching buildings, clothing, even the very air. The city becomes an inferno, with fires spreading far and wide, leaving little but ashes in their wake. Then, almost as quickly as the radiance appeared, the blast wave follows. A cataclysmic force, it radiates outward, demolishing buildings, shattering lives. The shockwave is so powerful, it literally sucks the oxygen from the atmosphere, strangling the breath from those who survived the initial heat. The city, once a bustling hub, now resembles a war zone from a nightmare. But the horror doesn't end there. Radiation poisoning sets in. Those near the explosion's epicenter are bathed in a lethal dose of gamma rays and neutrons. This invisible killer doesn't care for age or innocence, causing acute radiation sickness, claiming lives in the most agonizing ways. And then, the black rain falls, a sinister drizzle of radioactive particles and soot, painting the devastated city in hues of despair, spreading its poisonous touch. Survivors, known as hibakusha, carry the scars, visible and unseen. They face cancers, genetic mutations, chronic illnesses, a legacy of suffering inherited from mere seconds of destruction. The tragic events in Hiroshima serve as a somber reminder of the devastating power humans wield, and the lasting shadows cast by moments of unparalleled destruction.